365, we are part of the Ankur Group Interview Techniques live classes. You are going for SSB after few days, and I'm sure you are almost ready. My question to you is, between your father and mother, who is your crime partner?
My mother, sir.
And why?
So there have been many situations where I have done something and my mother had hid it from father.
Okay. What other activities do you involve yourself in the house on the weekdays and the weekends? 365.
Yes, sir. So currently I am living away from my home, but when I go home, I involve myself. We do breakfast, lunch and dinner together, our family. We watch TV shows and I play chess with my father, help my mother in cleaning dishes and also going to market to run some errands.
Just number 322, please speak on co-education. What is your view? Sorry.
Co-education where the boys and girls study together. It gives them like a comfortable compartment with each other and involved in the environment. The students who studied in a girls or in a boys' school coming up in a college, and when they meet up the first time, it's not that much familiar with each other. Co-education provide a better environment, a better understanding between girls and boys for their future.
Okay, please go back by 5 feet. Just number 322. Go back, please. Leave the camera, go back. Tilt the camera down. Tilt the camera down and go back. Just number 365. 322, I'm not happy with you. Tilt the camera and go back. I can't see your chest number. 365. Last two questions to you, rapid fire. Where is Kaziranga Park in India? (365) Where is Kaziranga Park in India?
I don't remember, sir.
Kalpakkam nuclear plant.
I don't remember.
Sriharikota launching station. Headquarter of Army, Indian Army.
New Delhi, sir.
His headquarter of Eastern Army Command.
Kolkata.
Indian Air Force Academy.
Hyderabad.
Godavari River in Andhra Pradesh. Where does it flow from? Starts from?
I don't know, sir.
Where is Gangotri?
Gangotri flows in Uttar Pradesh, sir.
Gangotri is in Uttar Pradesh. Tell me Char Dhams of India.
I don't remember. I don't know.
Where have been the Prime Minister yesterday in the temple?
I'm not aware of it, sir.
Who was the last Chief of Defence Staff?
Late General Bipin Rao.
Who is Controller and Auditor General of India?
I don't know.
Chief Justice of India?
I don't remember, sir.
Who is Supreme Commander of Armed Forces?
President of India. President Ramnath Kovind.
What are the pillars of democracy?
Parliament. And Constitution.
Pillars of democracy.
I don't.
What is Quad? Is it a security concern or it's something else? What is your opinion? Describe Quad.
The Quad is an organization of 4 member countries that are USA, Japan, Australia, India. Quad is involved in the security of Indian Ocean and the ocean between India and Pacific.
Tell me one base of China in Indian subcontinent or African continent. Naval base.
Malacca.
Naval base of China, where China has a presence.
China has a presence in Djibouti, in Africa. And
American base in Indian Ocean.
I don't know.
Who's the president of Sri Lanka? There is a Sri Lanka crisis right now. President is supposed to resign. All this is happening today. Whatever news. Who's the president of Sri Lanka?
Yes, sir. The current president of Sri Lanka is President Gotabaya Rajapaksa, but he is going to resign.
Who's president of Ukraine?
The President Vladimir Zelensky.
Zelensky. Anything happening in Siberia versus China?
I'm not aware of.
Do you know the 9 nuclear power states of the world?
Yes, sir. USA, Russia, India, Pakistan, China,
5 veto power countries of United Nations Security Assembly Council.
USA, United Kingdom, China, Italy, France, Germany.
Are you sure?
No, sir, I'm not sure.
Okay. Last question to you. Whom do you recommend to be qualified in this SSB as per your assessment? This batch, the present batch.
Sir, I would recommend test number 353.
Are you not competent?
Yes, sir, I'm also competent.
Okay. That's all for the day. Thank you. Just number 365, we can carry on. Okay. Right. So, ladies and gentlemen,